white and black, as you can see. And he has white paws, good for indicating mud, because black ones, they're never dirty.
I know, they're always in the house. Just find out when
And
you see the floor.
he has two patches of ears that are black ears, well, black eyes that run back to his ears and to the back of the head. Then there's a slight line there, and just a patch on the top of his head. His snout's white, and his whole chest is white.
It caught all his attention.
And if you go on his back,
He acts just like pirates.
he
like
has
a
a
little
full white collar,
pirate junior.
and then it's black, and then it's
I don't think he wants to show them.
white, and then black, and then on his tail there's a decent bit of white, and then
No, what's he doing? You don't want to show off your tail, do you? Come here, Mr. Cain. How are you gonna say hi to the camera? You act so much like your dad. You could be like a little pirate junior. We're tired. Is it time for bed? I know, it's a little late to do these